Okay, folks, welcome back to another Juniper Mountain Pro Tip. Today we are talking a very useful little command known as align. The align command has a lot of uses. It's particularly helpful when moving deed plots, moving or scaling blocks, or just fitting one object to another. So let's get into this. As I mentioned, the command is just align. With align, we're going to select the object we want to move. So we'll pick the parcel in this case. Now we know that we've got two found rods here. We want to move and see how this can fit to these found rods. So we're going to move it from this endpoint to our destination point, which will be the center of the rod. We'll come over here, we'll hit our second endpoint. We will move to the center of this rod. Now you'll notice you have the option to do a third point. In this case, we're only going to do a 2-point transformation. So we're just going to hit enter, skip the third point. You can actually scale this to fit these points exactly. In this case, we're not going to scale it. We want to see how it matches up on its own. So we'll hit N for no on the scaling. Moves right to it. Hope that helps.